Hey guys, it's Tay from Tay & Tay Productions, and right now I'm showing you my camping trip. I hope you enjoy. Click on the subscribe button over here, and make sure you leave a comment. Okay, love you. Hope you enjoy.
I hate to say it, but they play this damn song in every club. But it's me, so I'll show love. But it's me, so show me love. And when I walk into the room, people stop and stare. It's like nobody else is there. You know it's me, not you. Who said anything about you? Boys and girls pretend to know me, they try so hard. And I get what I want, my name is my credit card. Don't try to hate me because I am so popular. Pop, pop, popular. Pop, pop, popular. Most guys I dated got intimidated, so now I date up. If you know what I mean, so they shut up. If you know what I mean, so just shut up. Cause I don't wanna give half away on the day we don't make up. If you know what I mean when we wake up. If you know what I mean when we break up. Boys and girls pretend to know me, they try so hard. And I get what I want, my name is my credit card. Don't try to hate me because I am so popular. Pop, pop, popular. You always wanna be around me, so you know what it's like when the world is at your feet and you VIP tonight. You either get it or you don't, and I'm sorry you won't get there by using me. Just go and do your own thing.
Her name is Sally. What if it's not a girl? She's a salamander. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, this is how Christian bands are. Screamo Christian band. I love Ryan. Turn off. Turn off. I'm gonna kill you. Remember when? I will kill you. I will kill you with my eyeliner. Stop doing. I got a pencil. You got a pencil and you're not afraid to use it. Oh, when Matt, what the? When Matt and his friend,
I also listened to this one guy named Ozzy Osbourne.
Run! Run, Ozzy!
Ozzy Osbourne is pathetic.
Ew. No, this is him, ready?
That boy's on a fast trip to hell.
This is him.
To him.
Look, screw that earlier, ready? Yeah. Sorry, quick change real quick. What the heck? No. You 50-something seconds left. Sharon! I'm so confused! What, Ozzy? Okay, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed it. But hey, check out part 2 to take a view of our cabin.